We have people from all over the globe coming to this location because they've identified it through the chamber to come to this spot and see what we have. Our intention is to make this museum a destination, something where people actually set their itinerary and say, we're going to come out and see this. We feel like we can't do that without the Chamber's assistance. They have been phenomenal in participating with us.
This facility came from downtown as a one-story building, and it was developed into a two-story museum, but it's very, very old.
Part of our capital campaign to get a newer building that is ADA compliant, that is a cultural center, that does have interactive high-tech exhibits for engaging young people's minds, that would be a destination location right here in Novato.
The museum was started primarily by the Archaeology Club of Novato High School, formed in 1967. Students are required by the state of California to take a program. They are required to do this to become familiar with the indigenous people.
These were coastal Miwok villages, which, were actually quite sophisticated.
For roughly 3,000 years, it's documented that the Miwoks were here. This is important history.
We have the knowledge of that history. We want to share that history, and we're excited about moving forward and having the Chamber be our partner in such an endeavor.